Hello everyone, today I'm going to solve you a question about continuous random variables. And let's look at the question. Let x be a random variable with PDF given by pxx equals cx square and absolute value of x smaller than or equal to 1, 0 otherwise. And it asks us to find constant c. So let's first write the interval of x, and as already know that it is equals to that. It comes from the properties of absolute value. And what we know about the continuous random variables, if we integrate this equation and minus infinity to infinity, it should be give 1. So in this question, r of x is equal to c times x squared, and our intervals are -1 to 1. I'm going to write it -1 to 1, and I'm going to put my equation here, and it should be 1. So I'm going to take its integral, and it is equal to, c is a constant, so I can take it out of the integral, and this one is x to the power 3 over 3 minus 1 to 1, and it's equals to c times, I'm going to put 1 to the power 3 over 3 minus, I'm going to put minus to the power 3 over 3, and it should be 1. So here is 1 over 3, here is plus 1 over 3. So c times 2 over 3 is equal 1. C is equal to 3 over 2. Here is done. So our new equation, actual equation, is 3 over 2 times x squared. After that, I'm going to use this one. So let's look at B. Find EX and variance of X, expected of X and variance of X. So let's start with expected of X. In the continuous random variables, we know that when we trying to find the expected value of X, we are integrated to minus infinity to plus infinity x times fx dx. In this question, fx is equal to 3 over 3 times x squared, and our intervals are -1 to 1. So I'm going to put them in 3 over 3 times x squared dx. So it turns, I can take off the 3 over 2 outside of the integral, 1 dx, so it's equal to 3 over 2 times x to the power 4 over 4 minus 1 to 1, and it is 3 over 2 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4, and here is 0, so our expected of x will be 0. And when we look at the variance of x, we know that variance x square is equals to ex square minus ex's out square. So expected of x is equals to 0. So this equation is equals to ex square. And again, I'm going to do the same thing like I did in the expected of x. I'm going to integrate x squared times fx dx, so it is equal to minus 1 x squared times 3 over 2 x squared dx, and it's equals to 3 over 2 times x to the power 5 over 5 minus 1 to 1. And when we do the calculations, it comes 3 over 5. The third question is finding a px greater than or equal to 1 over 2. I'm going to do the same thing. Px bigger than or equal to 1 over 2 is equal to integral, since they are it's a continuous random variable, and my interval will be 1 over 2 to 1 because my upper limit was 1. And I'm going to put my function and I'm going to integrate it. My function is 3 over 2 x squared dx, and it is equal to 3 over 2 times x to the power 3 over 3 1 over 2. When I write the numbers in the equation, it's equals to 21 over 48, and when I divide it by 3, it is 7 over 16. Thank you for listening.